How to see a hidden chat on Snapchat. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can see a hidden chat on Snapchat. So first of all, open the Snapchat app and here click on this chat icon. Now here all of the chats are going to come of your friends. To see a hidden chat, first a chat needs to be hidden. So let me hide a chat first. So for that, just long press on any of the chat and click on this chat and notification settings. After clicking on that, just click on clear from chat feed and then click on clear. Now to see that hidden chat, just go and click on this search icon and search for that chat. That chat was of my AI, so I'm gonna search that, and now you can see the chat is here. Now click on that and all of the chats which you might have done earlier are gonna come. That means that none of the chat from Snapchat gets deleted when you clear the chat, but instead it just gets hidden. So that is how you can see a hidden chat on Snapchat.